Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to remove Google Gemini or Nano Banana logo from your AI image. Okay, I'm opening my gallery, then opening my thumbnail created by Google Gemini. You can see here there is logo of Gemini, and we can simply remove that logo by using Galaxy AI feature. Simply press that AI feature, then select the portion. You can see here, this is the portion, this is the portion. Simply select that. Now it is selected. Simply click the delete and give some minutes. Okay, then click on generate and wait for it. Okay, now that portion is deleted, you can see here. Then click on save copy. Okay, and we have image with the logo is removed. So that is too much easy. You can also do with your mobile AI feature, because all kind of smartphones have their own AI feature, AI edit image options, so you can do with your AI. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.